What's the meaning of catgut? Catgut. Catgut.
Catgut. Catgut. Catgut is a type of cord that is made from the natural fibers found in the walls of animal intestines, mainly sheep and goats. Despite its name, catgut is not made from cat intestines. It is frequently used as strings for musical instruments, such as violins and guitars, and for surgical sutures due to its ability to be absorbed by the body. The resulting material is strong, durable, and flexible, making it ideal for these applications. Catgut has been in use for centuries and continues to be an important material in various fields today.